When you learn about this critical infrastructure, you start to think of the world a different way. You were working with this company Osmos, and there's 180 million wooden power poles in the US. You see them everywhere, but I now look at them differently. What do they get inspected for? Gosh, to send humans around all 180 million poles every 10 years or so. There's crews of people that are manually digging out the bases and looking at more than 10 million of these poles per year. Like, gosh, if we could just detect which ones really needed it. Wow, some guy has to go unnecessarily dig out 4 million poles. You saved that work. That's good. There's all these examples all over the place that you see like that as you dig into it, you see the world in a new way. What could I do with this? Let me be creative with how things could operate, and it let you really tune it to your own desires, and especially when you add robotics into the equation that can respond to these things and go out and address things in the infrastructure. We would be able to program the world with software in a way that physically blows our mind.